Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, I'd like to say a very warm welcome to you. Thank you for stopping by, and to my returning subscribers, thank you for the support. So today we'll be preparing native rice, also known as palm oil jollof rice, and this was prepared in a very special way. If you're interested to see how we put this together, sit back, relax and enjoy. So these are some of the ingredients that we'll be using. This is not all of it. We'll see some of the ingredients we'll be using as we cook along, but these are some that we'll be using. We have some rice, roughly blended peppers, Pomo, also known as cowskin, some chopped onions, some palm oil, some locust beans, also known as iru. I have some curry leaves, seasoning cubes and salt. Then I have this Bonga fish. The remaining ingredients I will show as we go along. So let's cook. In a pot, I'll add in some water, some seasoning. Here I'll be using just one seasoning cube, some salt. Then I'll stir that around and make sure it dissolves before I add in the rice. So I'll add in the rice, add in the dried fish because it's still hard, it's not cooked, so I'll put it at this point so that it can cook and soften. Then I'll add some of our curry leaves. As you can see, I'm just stirring this around to make sure the seasoning has dissolved. Then I'll add in the rice. Now this rice is about 10% cooked, and I want it to cook to like 90-95%. So I'll just put that, add some water to get to the same level of the rice. I'll cover and allow it to cook. I moved the rice to another burner so that I can start preparing the sauce for the rice. Now in a pot, all I've just done now is adding some palm oil, and then added in my chopped onions once the palm oil was hot enough. Now I'll fry that until it is translucent and fragrant. Then I'll add in my roughly blended peppers and onions and fry that until it is well fried. Emphasis on well fried. The rice is cooked now, so I am using a fork to fluff it up while stirring my peppers for the sauce so it doesn't burn. I just fluff the rice and set it aside for later. Now that the pepper is well fried, I'll start adding in ingredients. Now what I have added is the locust beans, also known as iru. I'll add in some crayfish. I'll add in some parboiled pomo, some smoked fish, some stockfish that I have. I'll just add in all of our ingredients, add in the seasoning and the salt, and just stir everything together. This is exactly what I am doing now. all the ingredients have been added to the sauce and mixed together, I'll start adding in our cooked rice. Now this rice is about 90 to 95% cooked. It will finish cooking in the sauce. So I'll just add in the rice and then mix everything together. Once everything has been well mixed, I'll taste for seasoning, and once I am happy with the taste, I'll add in our curry leaves. This will lend its fragrance and deliciousness to the rice. Then I have some chopped green chillies that I just added a little, just for that flavor as well. Then I'll keep stirring for about 3 to 5 minutes, just so all the ingredients will enter the rice properly. I'll cover now and allow it cook for about 2 minutes. Then I'll come back and stir that together. You can see how this rice is standing apart. It is not mushy at all. It is standing apart, individual grains of rice. This is what we want to achieve. So if you have watched up to this moment, please like this video, click the like button if you haven't, and if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I have so much in store for you. Subscribe and share, and God bless you. Now our rice is ready. Just look at this deliciousness. Don't you just want to have a taste? So thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Continue to stay safe. Bye bye.